The university campus is very large and beautiful and has pretty much everything that you can need on campus. I don't think that I even left campus for the first week. I found everything here, and it was a very nice place to arrive to.
So SSRES is a fantastic program. The teachers are great. They teach the language very well. It's very fun and interesting. They connect culture with language, and I have learned a lot. I personally study Russian and Kazakh, and I found it very useful. And now I hope to use it in real life when I go and work at the university here in Kazakhstan. I love Nazarbayev University. It's a great facility. The people are nice, the teachers are great, the food is good, and the atmosphere is amazing.
Yeah, it's definitely different from campuses I'm used to in schools in America. There's a lot of space. It has all the technologies in classrooms that I think we've come to expect from college campuses. Very different from what I've seen.
There's a lot of cool cultures and people. It's like a very modern, very interesting city.
So I think since everyone came along and we had lots of different people from different programs, ethnic background, Americans, Canadians, Kazakhs, and so forth, that is very good. It helps us all as human beings to grow and to become a better community.
I would definitely return. It's been a wonderful experience living in Astana. I've enjoyed the university. I've really enjoyed the language program. It was a very nice place to arrive to.